When developing a course using the third principle of universal design for learning, there are three specific guidelines to assist us. The second, sustaining effort and persistence, addresses maintaining focus and determination. Criterion 4 of this guideline advocates that we increase mastery-oriented feedback. Feedback is critical for successful learning and is the fourth principle of Chickering and Gamson's 7 principles of good practice in undergraduate education. When the feedback is relevant, accessible, constructive, and timely, the feedback is both more productive and critical for sustaining motivation and effort crucial for learning. Mastery-oriented feedback guides learners towards mastery rather than a narrow and fixed view of performance and compliance. It focuses on top-tier learning in Bloom's taxonomy while emphasizing the learner's effort and practice as important factors for successful long-term habits and learning practices. This empowers learners with a sense of agency and treats learning as improving a skill instead of a fixed target. The latter notion often adopts the notion that some students, particularly those with disabilities, may be constrained from meeting with these fixed goals and thus impede motivation to persist. When trying to meet the criterion, consider: view learning as improving and focus on effort, improvement, and achieving a standard. Supplying feedback that promotes perseverance and development of self-awareness and encourages the use of strategies that will assist learning when they face challenges. Providing timely feedback. Offering frequent and specific feedback. Adopting strategies or models that will ensure the feedback will be more substantive and informative instead of comparative and competitive. Within your feedback, include how learners can incorporate the feedback to help identify patterns that promote errors so that they can self-correct in the future. The feedback should also include positive strategies for further success. By following these suggestions, your course will assist students communicating and expressing their knowledge, as well as being in line with the principle of engagement in the theory of universal design for learning.